Life has a rhythm, a natural flow that guides us through our journeys. Yet, in our relentless pursuit of success, we often forget this truth, pushing and striving to make things happen on our own timeline. The ancient law of divine timing reminds us that everything unfolds in its perfect moment, and it's crucial to stop forcing our path. Just as a seed patiently waits for the right conditions to sprout, our dreams and aspirations require their own time to blossom. When we resist this natural order, we find ourselves caught in a cycle of frustration and exhaustion. The universe operates like the sun rising in its own time, illuminating the world without haste. It teaches us that true power lies in surrendering to the flow, allowing life to unfold organically. By embracing this wisdom, we can navigate our lives with grace, trusting that our efforts will bear fruit when the moment is right. Consider the journey of a flower. It doesn't rush to bloom. It waits for the warmth of the sun and the nourishment of rain. Each moment of waiting is not wasted. It is a vital part of the growth process, allowing the flower to gather strength and prepare for its grand unveiling. In the same way, we must cultivate patience and trust that our own growth is happening beneath the surface, even when we can't see it. Just as the flower relies on the right conditions to flourish, we too must recognize that our circumstances need to align for our dreams to manifest. Forcing outcomes can lead to chaos, much like trying to swim upstream against a powerful current. The river flows effortlessly around obstacles, carving its path with grace. When we learn to navigate our lives with this same fluidity, we discover that we can achieve our goals without the struggle. The ancient wisdom of divine timing reminds us that there is a natural order to everything, and by aligning ourselves with this flow, we open ourselves to unexpected blessings. Imagine standing at the edge of a forest, watching the trees sway gently in the breeze. They don't fight against the wind. Instead, they bend and sway, adapting to the forces around them. This is a powerful metaphor for our own lives. When we resist the winds of change, we risk breaking under pressure. But when we learn to bend and adapt, we find that we can weather any storm. The law of divine timing teaches us that flexibility and adaptability are essential to navigating life's challenges. Reflect on your own life. Are there areas where you are pushing too hard, trying to control outcomes that are beyond your reach? Perhaps you're striving for a promotion at work, desperately seeking validation from others, or trying to force a relationship to fit your expectations. By releasing the need to force your path, you create space for new opportunities and insights to emerge. Just as the seasons change in their own time, so too will your circumstances shift when you allow them to. Surrendering to divine timing doesn't mean becoming passive. It means taking inspired action when the moment feels right, aligning your efforts with the natural rhythm of life. When you let go of the need to control every detail, you find that you can move forward with ease and grace, achieving your aspirations without the weight of unnecessary pressure. This is where the magic happens, when you trust the process and allow yourself to be guided by the universe. Think about the last time you felt truly in sync with life. Perhaps it was during a moment of creativity, when ideas flowed effortlessly, or during a time when everything seemed to fall into place without much effort. These moments are not mere coincidences. They are the result of aligning with divine timing. When you are in tune with the universe, you become a magnet for opportunities and experiences that resonate with your true self. The law of divine timing also teaches us the importance of self-awareness. It encourages us to listen to our intuition and recognize the signs that the universe presents to us. Just as a gardener observes the changing seasons and adjusts their planting schedule accordingly, we too must pay attention to the signals around us. Are there moments when you feel a sense of urgency, or perhaps a gentle nudge to pause and reflect? These feelings are often indicators of the timing that the universe is trying to convey. Moreover, embracing divine timing allows us to cultivate gratitude for the present moment. When we stop fixating on what we lack or what we wish to achieve, we can appreciate the beauty of where we are right now. Each experience, whether joyful or challenging, contributes to our growth and understanding. By practicing gratitude, we shift our focus from scarcity to abundance, opening ourselves to the blessings that are already present in our lives. As we navigate our paths, it's essential to remember that everyone's journey is unique. Just as no two flowers bloom in the same way, our timelines will differ. Comparing ourselves to others can lead to feelings of inadequacy and impatience. Instead, we should celebrate our individuality and trust that our paths are unfolding in alignment with our true purpose. The law of divine timing encourages us to honor our own pace and to recognize that each step we take is part of a larger tapestry of experiences that shape who we are. In moments of doubt or frustration, it can be helpful to reflect on past experiences where patience led to unexpected rewards. Perhaps there was a time when you were waiting for a job opportunity, only to find that the right position came along when you least expected it. Or maybe a relationship developed naturally over time, blossoming into something beautiful without the pressure of forced expectations. These instances serve as reminders that the universe has a way of aligning things perfectly when we allow it to unfold in its own time. Additionally, the practice of mindfulness can enhance our ability to embrace divine timing. By being present in the moment, we can better appreciate the journey rather than fixating solely on the destination. Mindfulness encourages us to observe our thoughts and feelings without judgment, creating space for clarity and insight. This awareness can help us discern when to take action and when to step back, fostering a deeper connection with our intuition. As we cultivate this awareness, we may also find that our desires evolve. What we once thought we wanted may shift as we grow and learn more about ourselves. The law of divine timing invites us to remain open to these changes, understanding that our paths may take unexpected turns that ultimately lead us to greater fulfillment. Embracing this fluidity allows us to adapt our goals and aspirations in alignment with our evolving selves. In conclusion, the ancient law of divine timing teaches us the importance of patience, surrender, and self-awareness. By letting go of the need to force outcomes and trusting in the natural flow of life, we can navigate our journeys with grace and ease. Each moment of waiting is an opportunity for growth, reflection, and alignment with our true purpose. As we honor our unique paths and embrace the timing of the universe, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities, allowing our dreams to manifest in their perfect time.